Thank you. Water, please. Like.
ఎక్కడైంది ఎంపీపీ ఆమె తెలియదా? ఓ దేవుడా.
అడగండి ఉంటుంది కదా.
చెప్పబడుతుంది.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, madam. Good evening, Tira sir, Vinay sir.
Good evening, all of you.
Good evening, everyone. Sampath sir, Vinay sir, TV Rao sir, Roja ma'am, everyone, good evening.
Good evening, Anta madam.
Yes, those who completed their personal meeting with your partner teacher, post your names there in the chat box.
ఇప్పుడు ఏం మీటింగ్ ఉందని మళ్ళా అక్కడ కూర్చోవాల్సిందేనా? అందులో నుంచి లేచి ఇక ఈయనే కా
Shiva Bhargav sir and hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us start sharing your experience.
Okay, sir. Tirupati sir, are you there? Tirupati sir?
ఇక ఇది మళ్ళా మాకు బయట వ్యక్తుల ద్వారా తెలిసిన విషయం.
Yeah, good evening.
Hello sir, shall I start?
Yeah, sir, you can go.
Hello.
Tirupati sir,
Sir,
go on.
Yes,
sir,
sir.
am I audible, sir?
Yes, yes, fine.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, okay, sir. Good evening, dear fraternity. This is Tirupati Cherala. I'm working at JBHS Girls Sirsilla, Rajana Sirsilla district. I'm very happy to be a part of this program, sir. And my mentor is Mr. Shiva Bhargav. And during the first and second session, our discussion went on very interestingly. When I came to know that he he has 30 years of experience in his teaching career uh, and acting as a mentor, it made me really was very astonished at his performance, and he utilized our Yelta platform very properly, and even he conducted many webinars with his colleagues and diet mates, and all the time he received many compliments all over whenever he conduct the program. And he's an early born. He means he catches everything very fast, and after learning ICT tools, and he implemented in a different way, like a Flipgrid and Kahoot, like that. There are so many ICT tools he mastered during this pandemic, and really it made me. I cannot speak because he's like a wonderful person. Why I mentioned here wonderful means during the pandemic, it gave me an opportunity to talk with him, and he's like he's like an early bird. I can say once again he's an early bird. He does whatever he wants to learn. So whatever comes to to our view in a different perspective, he sees and he reads it and properly, and he utilizes the time properly. So hello, yeah, hello, 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 sir, hello,
Sir, go
Hello.
on.
Continue, sir.
yeah, okay. I learned many things from him. What he faced his in his teaching career, though he completed his 1 year of service, and he was face to face with many challenges. How he approached the parents regarding the irregular students, and how he motivated the parents to bring the children back to the school. Really, he was doing very hard during the first year of his teaching career. And when come to myself, I felt very much happy during the third session also. He expressed his views, and how he is going to do, what is going to in the future also he shared very interestingly. And a teacher who is about 1 year of experience in his teaching career, really facing the problems, really a wonderful thing. And how he solved is a very wonderful thing. And the challenges we face at our workplace may vary from one person to another, but whether we face or not, that is a different thing. But sharing the views during the program, it works like a reference tool for our in the future, when we once again back to our school after the pandemic is over. So really during the 3 sessions, our discussion went on very smoothly, and we shared all the things regarding our program even. And we congratulated all the time it gave me a wonderful opportunity to meet different eminent scholars, like our Richard Smith and Ellie Madam, like. And I congratulate all the time, because the fraternity gave me an opportunity to meet on this webinar, because of this pandemic. We have been doing this kind of programs to enhance our professional skills, and how to conduct a meeting, even how the program should run, and how the result will be, and all these things. Really, I felt very happy with the program taken by Richard Smith and Ellie Madam. And even I congratulate the president of our ELTA, Venkateswar V.V. Rao sir, and Sampath sir, and even General Secretary Vinay sir, and Mamata Madam. All the scholars I met through this webinars, and I am very happy with that. And here one more thing I would like to say, that I am very sad, because during the first two means during the ICT tools training, I didn't attend properly because my village where I reside, the tower was damaged and it was surrounded by water, and I could not attend all the ICT tools. And though I attended before the program, Google Classroom, Google Sheets, and all those things I excelled, and even I created videos on how to use them. That is another thing. But it gave me an opportunity to meet all the people on this platform, and I thank you all for giving this wonderful opportunity. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Tirupati sir.
Yeah.
Now I request Bhargav, go ahead.
Sure, sir. Good evening, all of you. First of all, I would like to thank ELTA Telangana for making me as a part of this wonderful program, where the sharing of knowledge can happen, and where we can witness the success of others also. And it's a really great privilege to share our success also. So I paired up with Mr. Tirupati Chirala from ZPHS Sirsila, Rajana Sirsila district, who is very compassionate, dedicated, and hardworking, and most probably student-friendly teacher. And one thing I must say, he's a techie. Before joining this teaching field, he worked as a programmer for several companies. His first appointment in 2010, he worked at very rural area where students have no proper facilities for students. He became the troubleshooter there. Although he's a new recruitee, he took some fantastic initiations which intended for 100% pass percentage in SSC for consecutively 5 years. Although there is a lack of support from the other staff, he took decisions to conduct morning wake-up calls and special calls in 2010 before the government officials took that decision. Presently, he is working at ZPHS Sirsila, where he has the sole responsibility of maintaining these technological things. During the period, this lockdown period, as he once again recollected all the learnings of technology and explored many things by attending many conferences. One thing I definitely need to mention here, he prepared a Google form. One thing definitely I would like to mention, one Google form that he really feels success it, and that Google form was nearly attended by the huge number, making aware of COVID lockdown rules and COVID-19 precautionary measures. He served certificates for them also. He attended many webinars and ELTA's webinars. He came to know many tools. I think his earlier education also helps him to learn better way. And besides of teaching with the help of his 10th classmates and the other colleagues, he's running a forum for Better Ilandukunta, which is his own native Mandal. For his village also, he's doing tremendous jobs like making arranging health camps and everything. So he's looking forward to continue this learning and exploring, and wants to apply in this all the tools that we are learning now in teaching as soon as possible. It's really a great privilege to have him as a mentee. Although he faced several obstacles or barriers during this teaching career, all the obstacles and barriers gave a chance to shine himself and bring better from him. So it's really a great privilege to have him on board and listening to his success stories. I'm only 1 year as a teacher, so it's really motivated me to give more from my side and my development. So in this connection, I would like to definitely thank all the ELTA members for organizing this such a wonderful program. And giving me as the support of program. By all you, I learned a lot of things, and this definitely will help me in my profession. Thank you, ELTA. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Meeting. Tirupati sir.
Yes.
How would it be different with generally we don't share the success with anybody else, am I right?
Okay. Yeah.
If you share the things with them, that's through photos and other things, but not by live, and somebody is not ready to listen to your success. So how experience is different from whatever the things that you have in personal life?
Yeah, in personal life, there are so many things I can mention, but see, at our workplace is first 5 years of my teaching career, I was face to face many challenges, like where sir, regarding this professional you are asking, or my personal life, sir?
So regarding your personal life and the personal professional life, in both the cases, generally
Yeah.
the people are not ready to listen to the other person's success. You
Yes,
agree?
yes, yes.
You
Yes, sir,
agree?
definitely.
Suppose
Yes.
you
Yeah,
attended
yeah.
a full complex meeting. So where you want to share your success, whatever you did for last month, last year, last 3 years, like that. So are they ready to listen to you?
Yeah, they are ready to listen, because my now present where I'm working is a very big school. There are different personalities I have, so they are always very helpful to me, and whatever things I'm going to do, definitely they are very much helpful to me, and they listen all my success stories which I did in my previous school, and really my present school is giving to explore more and more, and to get more and more success in the future, sir. That is.
So another question is that how the Richards templates helped you to look at the success with a close look at very
Yes.
different perceptions of the success. How the template helped?
Yeah, it is the all the questions which were mentioned in the template were in a different perspective, sir. If you see one direction, the question may the question may get the answer in different way. So one question may leads to many other questions also, because the questions are well framed, and it is like thought provoking questions are there, and there are some extrapolating questions like we have in our in our English textbooks. So if you see the questions in a different perspective, we can answer it differently, sir. Like that, we can explore more and more for that, and we can present better than what better than anybody else. So the questions which I attended in third template, those questions are really very fantastic. Those helped me to explore and more during the pandemic, what we did, and how the success story is going to helpful to other. See, there are many questions that made me explore more and more, sir.
Okay, sir and Bhargav, thank you for sharing your views and sharing your experience with each other. And now I request Padma ma'am.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Padma ma'am and Nalini. Go ahead.
So, about the third session, we have discussed about the success and how the success will further. We just wanted to express that integration of ICT tools we were discussed, and how to take further, what kind of digital tools have to be introduced, and step by step how to accordingly our teaching context, how to further we take to our classes and to reach our students is the first one, sir. And still we are learning digital tools and its integration with our subject, so we need to get some perfection in their usage, and we would go step by step to various topics of our teaching. And it's a great way to learn, to support and share our knowledge and experience with fellow teacher. And it helped me to gain knowledge and boost how to encourage and empower my mentee, for which I myself have to get perfection and learn a few things before I start my discussion with my mentee. So what I feel is before you start, you have to go through and revise and revisit your learning path, so that you will be perfect, and you can share and explore with your mentee. And it's a mentoring is a new experience for me, and enhancing experience, I can say. How to encourage and how to involve in the discussion, and how to boost up the confidence of your mentee, and which also helped me to fill the language gaps in my experience. and I have got practical knowledge and increased social and academic confidence also, I can say. And helped me to learn, improve my communication skills, my personal study skills, and also with the discussion with mentee, both we could explore and learn from each other. And I feel I might develop a few strategies to implement further sessions. That's it, sir.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Nalini, are you there?
Sir, I am Gangaya, sir.
Gangaya, do you want
Sir,
to
I
share?
stayed with Kavita madam. I want to tell about her, madam.
Right.
Sir.
Okay, Gangaya, you can
Sir,
proceed.
I want to tell a good success story about Kavita madam.
Okay, okay, go ahead.
Nirmala Kavita. She is working as PGT English at TS Model School, Bhimar Devarapalli, Warangal, Warangal Urban, sir. She joined in the school in 2014. First of all, she was not interested to join in this education field, sir. She was interested to join in medical field, and forcefully she joined as a PGT in English, sir. In the beginning, she was allotted 12th class, sir. It was very big, very hard to teach them because the children are very big, sir. After 2 years working hard, she managed to teach them very perfectly, sir. She conducted so many seminars regarding psychologically how to change their attitude and behavior, sir. After that, the children were very satisfied with her teaching. Sir, can you listen my voice, sir? Hello?
Fine, fine.
Sir.
Okay,
Sir, go on, sir. Yeah, we can hear. Go on, sir. We can hear you.
Yeah. She attended so many seminars and read so many books to enrich her knowledge, sir. And first of all, she faced so many problems to teach them because she was new to introduce in that school, sir. And after overcoming that problem, she managed very well. She read so many books and she watched so many YouTube programs and enriched her knowledge and prepared very hard to get success, sir. And she is conducting so many Olympiads in English, sir, for 8th and 9th and 10th class children. And the examination paper is also with the international standard, and various schools attended in that program, sir. Children were very satisfied with to write the exam and get the knowledge improved, sir. And she gained so much knowledge regarding digital tools in ELTA. She is making use of those things in her class in COVID-19 situation. She is working very hard to improve her knowledge as well as the children's knowledge. She is interacting with the parents and children and working very hard. And when she participated with their children, her children bagged so many prizes in examinations and TLML. Story about Kavita Nirumalla madam. Hello, sir.
Thank you, Gangaya, sir.
I am an EGT, sir. I am working at MPPS Yapalgoda in Adilabad. This is the short success story about Nirmala Kavita madam.
Kavita ma'am, are you there?
Sir, good evening. Good evening, everyone.
I missed
Okay,
some
share
points. I could not tell some points. She is doing so many things to interact with the parents and children. She is working very hard, sir. She is a dedicated teacher. Okay, sir. This is
Kavita
about
ma'am, go ahead.
Kavita Nirmala madam.
Sir. Yeah, really, I feel very happy to be paired up with Gangaya sir, where sir is an experienced teacher. Sir joined in 2002 January at MPPS Gangaram Gudam, Bejur Mandal, Adilabad district, and sir was there in the same school up to 2005 November. And in 2005 November, sir got transferred to MP UPS Dasnapur, Indravelli Mandal, and he worked there up to 2012. And later, sir has transferred to MPPS Yapalgoda, Adilabad Mandal. Really, sir also, he shared when we had a Zoom session. Hello.
Oh, Kavita ma'am.
Hello.
Hello.
Am I audible, sir?
Okay, it's okay now. So we'll ask you, but if it's okay, fine now. Go ahead. Hello. Hello. Kavita ma'am, you are on mute. Just unmute yourself. Kavita ma'am, please unmute. Okay.
Hello. Sir,
Ah,
am
okay,
I
sir.
audible now?
Yeah, it's okay, fine now.
Yeah. Gangaya sir, in the beginning of, when he joined, he faced challenges with the parents, like they were not satisfied. After 1 month of teaching, they came and asked about the performance of the students, it seems, and sir dealt with the parents with all. He asked 1 year time. Then after 1 year, when the parents came to the school, really they were very much happy, wherein sir taught them not only the English, mathematics and all subjects, and they were very much happy. They felt very happy. And also it's because of sir's hard work and continuous effort. Sir became first as Mandal resource person, and he got appreciation from the Mandal, and recently he received best teacher award even. He has got a wonderful enthusiasm and zeal to learn English language, especially because he's that he has come from a Telugu medium background, and he's very much interested to learn English. And the same thing, now the way how he speaks, what I feel is that shows his hard work. And what's the problem? Yeah. I have a problem with my audio. I don't know. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Sir. Yeah. Even sir did like he submitted action research papers and got appreciation from various people. And he even submitted the papers to SCRT and got appreciation from the authorities. Good appreciation.
Hello, Kavita ma'am.
Sir, and sir also received like a letter of appreciation from Integrated Tribal Development Agency, and also best teacher from the Telangana government, and also appreciation from District Institute of Education and Training. Hello.
Hello. Kavita ma'am.
You can continue. It's audible, you continue.
I have been speaking.
Yeah, you go on.
Yeah, during this pandemic COVID-19 outbreak, sir has participated in the webinars conducted by RELTA, and what he learned many ICT tools, and he has been trying to use the ICT tools with the primary students, but due to the low-tech environment and even the smartphones, as the students they do not have the facility as well as knowledge of using the smartphones. There is a problem for the sir, but what he is expecting is in the future the same thing when he becomes a school assistant English, definitely he says that he will make use of all these educational tools in order to improve the students' so this way. Yeah, this is about Gangaya sir.
Ishad, do you want to ask anything? Ishad?
No, sir, continue. No problem.
Yuvira sir and Sampath?
Sir, good evening, sir. Vinay, sir.
Anita ma'am, good evening.
Let me tell about my mentor.
Okay, sure. Go ahead.
Okay, can I start?
Yeah, why not? You can.
With your
Go ahead.
permission. Okay, sir.
Go ahead. Okay, go
Good
ahead.
evening, everyone. I'm Srimati B. Anita, working as a school assistant English at ZPHS Gadepalli, Kilavarangal Mandal, Varangal Urban. My mentor is Srimati Roja Rani Garu. So I'm very delighted and happy to tell something about few things about my mentor, Roja Rani ma'am. Okay, who is my guide. I can say she is my guide. She guides me in everything not only during this peer mentoring, I take many suggestions from her. I think it's this friendship or this thing lasted for about when I came to this mandal. Since then, any doubts and everything, I speak to Roja ma'am and get it get the doubts cleared. So let me tell few things about Roja ma'am. During this peer mentoring exchange, I came to a conclusion that my mentor, Srimati Roja Rani ma'am, is a multi-talented person. She not only teaches English to the school children, but also teaches psychology to the students of diploma in education, DIET children. She took classes for the CAT, GRE, bank and math children. Okay, the most important thing I came to know during this session is that ma'am rejected the opportunity of teaching abroad as her children were very small and she had to take care of them. I think this sacrifice can be done only by a mother. I felt very happy after talking to ma'am and learned that age and health issue is not at all an hindrance for learning new things. Uh, ma'am participated actively in all the webinars and also taught many ICT tools to the teachers and techie kids during the pandemic period. Ma'am is multi-talented. She not only teaches the students of higher levels, but also teaches her school students, keeping their standards into consideration. Finally, I can say that her school children are fortunate to learn from such a dedicated teacher. She spends most of the time with her students. So peer mentoring exchange made me to come out from my routine work schedule and try to know about ma'am and learn new things from her. The session was very fruitful and 100% valuable. I tried to learn time management and balancing family and professional development and tried to allot some time to learn new things as Roja ma'am has done. She balances both family and professional life and tries to balance it and tries to spend most of the time with the school children, with her students. And I think I should learn this time management. This is the most important thing I should learn from Roja ma'am. She participated actively with the techie kids. She used to get up early in the morning, do all the household activities, and spend most of the time with techie kids, which was a successful program. And she conducts where she used to conduct webinars and everything. So I think as a woman, I should learn the time management and become successful. I should become successful by balancing my professional life and also family life. Thank you, Roja ma'am, for sharing all the things with you. And I think I should learn many things from you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Sir?
Anita ma'am. It's all your affection. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, ma'am. I have to learn much things about you. And I think during this pandemic period, you guided me. And I think with that, I could come out of my depression because keeping my age into consideration, I was very depressed during the initial days of the pandemic period. I could come out of it after speaking to you only, madam. You guided me and made me learn the ICT tools and everything. You guided me, madam, during this pandemic period. Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks for
For
everything,
guiding
ma'am. But it's all your passion, ma'am. The only thing is I just motivated you and encouraged you. That's all. Only simple words I used, but it's all your passion. And thanks a
Thank
lot
you.
and hats off to you.
Oh, thank you, ma'am.
And thank you, Elta, for giving us this opportunity. Vinay Raju sir, thanks a lot. Good evening and everyone, and thank you.
Thank you, Vinay sir, yes, for really, I should thank Elta and Sampath sir also because we could utilize the pandemic time to a maximum extent. And because I think this made us learn many things. Thank you, sir.
Anita ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Roja ma'am, do you want to share the Anita ma'am success story?
Okay, good. Sure, sir. Good evening, sir. And thank you for giving us this opportunity actually to know each other and one another on this platform. Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to say something about Anita ma'am, sir. May I go on, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. Once again, I am Rojarani Madhareddy, working as school assistant at GHS Narendra Nagar, Kashibugga, Warangal Urban. I have been the mentor for Anita ma'am, but actually, though we use the words as mentor and mentee, here both of us are equivalents. We are the school assistants of English, and I think we are sailing in the same boat with equal opportunities and equal levels of learning. But the only thing is, her simplicity made me to praise, give applause to me. But thank you, Anita madam, anyhow, and now let me continue. Actually, we interacted for many times, sir. Not that we have to go for 1 hour exchange, etc. So many a times, whenever we get the opportunity, whenever we have got the doubts to share with each other or to clear from each other, we used to have a talk. So during these conversations, and also the formal conversation meet which you advised for this mentoring scheme, what we discovered and what I discovered about Anita ma'am is actually she is one of the excellent teachers with good communication skills and also the content enriched one. The thing is, she had a diploma in engineering, and she has come into the teaching field. She did a B.Ed, she did her B.Ed course and entered the teaching profession. And always she complains that she has a distance learning, so she may not be on par with others. But actually, I quote this because I wanted to clear this off her mind. Whether it is a distance education or regular education, the only thing is how passionate an individual is, how inquisitive an individual is. It is that which decides the knowledge of a person. I think so, and this has been proved of her. So Anita ma'am, strictly speaking, everybody knows here, sir, in our Warangal urban district. From 2009, I think from 2009, I have come to know. Since 2009, I know Anita ma'am, and she has been an active participant in whatever the orientations or training sessions that used to be conducted. We worked together for 1 month during our schools through English program, and I have come very close to her from that time. And during these discussions, what I have come to know is she is actually very good at transaction. She goes down to the level of the students in such a way that most of the times we usually hear about the theatrical arts to be played in the class. What is the role of the theatrical arts in the classroom situation? Many a times we attended the training sessions wherein the people advise us to use different modes and techniques of teaching. So she is very good at that, and we all know about that, how well she can teach by using the songs. Not only that, not only the songs I mean to say, but she goes for the skits, she goes for the songs, she makes the children to be actively participant in the classroom, she goes to the bilingual transaction, whatever the methods that are suitable. The only thing I observed directly and through our conversation and have come to know about her is really she tries, the only aim of her is to reach her children. Teaching in the English medium, Telugu medium background, the Telugu medium schools, we know the background level of the students. Sorry to say this, sir, don't misunderstand me. I mean to say, in our government Telugu medium schools in the rural areas, a few students, of course, they would be okay, but many of the students will be low proficient learners for which we need to adopt different strategies and techniques. And she has been successful for years together, achieving 100% of result in her school. I'm not talking about the result in terms of the paper, that means the scores on the paper, but frankly speaking, every student, she makes her students to read and write. Of course, there might be some grammatical errors. That's not important, but she makes them to speak and sing almost all the poems in the text, whatever the class it is from 6 to 10. So I think I have to learn many things. This I learned from her. I need to learn from this and implement in my classroom. And the second thing is, she was saying something about the usage of the graphics. Of course, I too use the graphics, but not just she said. That means when we went for CV Raman, how we have to teach. When we go for this, so summarization, infographics, how to use them in an excellent manner. I have come to know from her. Of course, I used to use them, but a little bit, and now I need to use more of them. So she's very good at transformation of information. I mean, information transfer techniques are highly used by her in the classroom situation. And the third thing is she is the most adorable. I mean to say, the students of her like her very much. I have talked to a few people, and I know how she is and how well she can treat her children. And of course, we too all love our children, but still we need to be affectionate like a mother, and that is the most admiring qualities, one of the most admirable qualities of Anita ma'am. And when we come to the exact reflections as the templates have been given, sir, apart from all these things, in the recent crisis times, actually, Anita ma'am, she usually thinks that the first thing she used to say that I am very much poor in technology. Though she came from diploma, as there has been a long gap, she used to feel that she is not good at using technology. But she attended the webinars, she covered all the things, and now she is very good at preparing the Google Forms, that means paperless tests, and she's very good at technological devices. She's also preparing the video lessons, and she has become the most active teacher in Warangal Urban, preparing more number of video lessons than other teachers who have come forward to be a part of that video lesson preparation. So congratulations, Anta madam, in this context. And
thank you, ma'am.
one more thing is, she is actually during this she has utilized the maximum extent of this COVID-19 pandemic season very fruitfully. She not only she also made her daughter also learn, and she was learning from her daughter also. So I mean to say, why did I quote this is, that is the good quality of a teacher. When we come forward to learn from anybody, that makes us to learn even from our children, because the students also come with some of the inborn innate talents which we need to elicit in the classrooms. So that is the good quality which as a teacher I too should adopt in my classroom. And the last thing I would like to say is, regarding her achievements, she is very good at education. She has got the PG degree, a diploma degree, and she is very good at presentation, good communication skills and language functions she uses. And she has also become a technologically well-versed teacher now, and she is also ready to transact on online mode. But because of the rural background, the students are not having the mobile phones are the TSATs, they are not watching the TV. Recently, I have come to know one more thing, sorry, but let me add this point, which is very, very important for us. I have come to know that every day she goes to the children. She has appointed one of the children as a spy. I mean to say, she just made him to counsel him to say where her students are, whether they are watching or not. And once she comes to her, they have accumulated at a place, I mean gathered at a place to play the games. She simply goes over there and then she makes them to listen to her lessons. So this is what I learned. That means a teacher nowadays, our main motto is to make our students understand and gain the knowledge. And now the way in which she is transacting, the way in which she is making her children, that means catching hold of the children, making them to learn something during this period, really is inspiring. Thanks a lot, Anita ma'am, and thanks a lot.
Thank you, madam.
For making me to know many things from other teachers, which I need to implement in my transaction and also enhance my own qualities. Thank you, sir, for giving this wonderful opportunity to know others' qualities and enrich ourselves and make ourselves and shape our behavior in the qualities. Thank you, sir.
Ma'am, I could not put up all the qualities in this session regarding your qualities. I could tell only few things, but you said a lot of things about me. I could only present few things.
No, Anita ma'am, it's not like that. We need to praise, ma'am. Whatever I said is
no,
true.
No. I need to tell much about you, but I couldn't express everything. You see?
No, it's not like that, Anita ma'am. The thing is here, this program is actually, it is not to make us to, praise each other.
I not praising. I have to learn. I did not tell everything about you because I have to. There are many things that are to be learned from you, madam. Many things. Yes. But I missed to tell all the things. I couldn't
need
tell
to say that, ma'am. Thanks, sir. You told more than enough. Thank you, Elta, for giving us this opportunity, sir. I would be learning all the qualities, listening to others, and I need to enrich myself. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to become a good human being and teacher. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Anita and Rosa ma'am. And it's a clear evidence that the enhanced mentoring program giving results. So the purpose is that accepting the success of others and colleagues and the friends. So that is, we can witnessing the things.
Yes, sir.
And anyone? Shamsundar sir, do you want to say anything?
Hello?
Next, who is there? Just let me check the chat box. Anja ma'am and Shehnaz. Hello.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening, ma'am. Go ahead.
Praja ma'am, will you?
It's okay.
Okay.
You can start.
Carry on, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Good evening, all of you. Thank you once again giving me this opportunity. So regarding this week 3 session, the successful experiences of my mentee Shehnaz madam in this recent crisis. So as I said earlier, she has attended our ELTA webinars and she participated in her district official webinars, and she learned many ICT tools. And not only that, she's implementing the tools in her class. So in this pandemic, she is successfully reaching her children through Google Classroom, WhatsApp, and Padlet, just through many ICT tools. By using them, she's reaching uh, her students, and she enhanced her technical skills, academical skills. And she said that by participating in such webinars, she's getting an opportunity to meet eminent personalities like you all. I also agree with her in this, especially now we are participating in this mentoring project and webinars, and just we are coming across many people like you, and we are learning many things from you. So the signs of her success. So a success story of teacher is how we measure the success of a teacher. It means in the form of students' performance. So she said that her students are actively participating in online classes. They are completing online tasks, and she's getting more opportunities from her district officials also. She has been conducting some online programs, and her students also now they are able to use some ICT tools. And the another science about whatever she said that the main sign of her success is her confidence. Now she's using all ICT tools confidently, and she's implementing those tools in classroom, and so that the people are she's getting appraisals for that. And these are the signs of her success and the reasons of her success. So she said COVID pandemic is the main reason for her success, because she could get more she got more time to explore herself, to work on ICT tools, to learn ICT tools, and to practice these ICT tools like this. She got much time to explore those tools. And another reason is her passion. In this pandemic, she tried to reach her children. So she has invented, she has practiced many ways, and still she is practicing many ways how to enhance their skills, how to motivate them to work with ICT so that they can complete their assignments. So her passion is one most important reason for her success. And the another reason she said, and I observed mostly, is she has that she has a passion that is to grow professionally. She never compromises with her own qualities. So day by day she wants to increase her qualities, and she wants to grow professionally, and that's why she's growing and she's participating in all this. And she said that ELTA is also one of the important reason for her success, because if she wouldn't have participated in these webinars, and she may not get this chance like participating in mentoring, and she may not get she might not get the chance to work with ICT tools and learn ICT tools. So ELTA is the biggest source of her success. So these are the success stories and experiences, and she's getting more opportunities from all. So what I learned from this discussion, it means what my takeaways from her discussion is, we learn, so we never compromise with our qualities, we never compare us with others, but we should compare our success, our level, today what I'm level, and tomorrow at what level I will be. Like this, day by day we should compare our level, and we should grow professionally. This one, and her passion towards the ICT tools, it means in summer when we were planning that ICT webinars, just she attended but didn't practice. But after completing that webinars, she practiced all the tools. She brought devices like that. So she has that passion. Whatever she learns, she wants to practice. So I learned from this, from her this, and the benefits. What benefits I have taken means she's ready to do online lessons, online presentations, and she ready to do YouTube lessons like that. Now she wants to present her qualities, present her technical skills on screen. So so hats off to her decision. Because whatever we learn, we want to we should present them on screen, so that others may inspired, and others may try to learn. So these are the qualities I learned from, and I also uh, developed one desire that okay, it's a better, like her, I should do some video lessons, I should do some YouTube presentations like that, digital lessons. So these are the takeaways, and this is whatever I observed through our discussion, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Vanuja ma'am. Shahnaz ma'am. Hello.
Thank you, Vanuja ma'am. Thank you, Vanuja ma'am. So, good evening to all. So we have completed session 1. Now we are in session 2. And the first question under session 2 is, what particular successful experiences have you had recently? As I had already told you all in the first session reflection, that Vanuja ma'am is a very impressive and innovative teacher. I'm impressed with her very much. She learned many tools during this pandemic, and she wanted to explore more and more to the very high levels of her profession. And the successful experiences that she had during this pandemic were meeting different people, gave her a wonderful experience so that she could learn so many things from them. She attended webinars, and she became the coordinator for ALEC program. And also she presented 2 or 3 presentations on tools, and she has been participating in mentor enhancing program. Before this platform, she was just idle doing her routine duties of household work. After that, just sitting in front of the TV. But when she entered ELTA, as she says that ELTA provided her a platform to showcase her talent. It was the first step to this. She attended to 20 webinars by her experiences during this pandemic and recently, and explore her more. She wants to take her success to further levels. She also presented her action research to ELTA. she says that if we get one chance of success, the officials know our strength, they build confidence, that they definitely trust us to give some assignments, to assign some innovative tasks. She prepared a video for NEP 2020. When she got succeeded for the first program, the sectorial officers and coordinators are asking her to make innovative programs, to participate in innovative programs, and to prepare webinars. She says one door can open many doors. That means the ELTA proved her identity. It gave her a platform to prove her identity. And if we succeeded in the first chance, if we prove ourselves, we will get more and more opportunities. Definitely, Vanaja ma'am, it is true to her how she was and how she is. There is a lot of difference, and she says that ELTA only the reason for it. And after joining ELEC program because of ELTA, she left her idleness and later she was busy with the useful programs like designing tools, participating in webinars, reaching the unprivileged. And she wants to have every opportunity to utilize any opportunity where there is a chance to prove herself. And she said meeting many people during this pandemic on this wonderful platform made her know how to grow in profession and to enhance skills. As she listened to many teachers on this platform, she said she can improve her speaking skills because everyone is unique in their way of speaking, the terminology, the vocabulary they used, and the teaching skills they practice in their classrooms. And she wants to explore more. She wants to learn many technical tools because the ultimate goal is to take the ICT into her classroom. This is about her particular successful experiences and signs of her success and reasons for her success. What I learned from her is if we want to grow professionally, we want to be dedicated to our profession, we want to work continuously, we should increase our every skill. And as Roja ma'am just said now, the teacher should be ready to learn from either the elder or the younger. It is a very positive quality. And I too wish to take the ICT to my classroom, and whatever the ideology that she has, really, I too wish to take to my classroom. And like she is growing her profession, in her profession, I too wish to grow professionally. And listening to all these eminent personalities, eminent teachers, and who are very dedicated in various fields and various platforms. Really, I'm impressed with you all. Thank you for ELTA providing me this wonderful opportunity and participating this wonderful platform and this program on mentoring enhancement program. Thank you, Sampath sir. Thank you, Vinay sir. Thank you, Vanja ma'am. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Vanja and Shahnaz. And Richards joined us, and I request the Richards to respond to the participants' reflections. Richards?
Hello, everyone. It's nice to be here again. And I've been listening to a few of the last two contributors, and it's really inspiring to hear of your recent achievements. And that's why we are doing this, and why ELTA Telangana is doing this with you. It's to hear about the successes in this very difficult time, because there have been great achievements by teachers like yourselves. And the idea of this enhancement mentoring is to help you, to help teachers to recognize to bring to your consciousness what you have been able to achieve, and maybe use that as a way to go forward, a way to build upon those successes. So it's very good to hear about the inspiring stories that we've been sharing already. And congratulations to ELTA Telangana for providing this opportunity for teachers in Telangana to share experiences and to develop. I know that your last project was very successful with with training for using online resources, and so I'm hoping that you will benefit and enjoy this experience. I'm glad to see that you feel the templates, the questions are useful, and I'm find out from those who are leading this project about how it goes and how it works, and whether it is useful for you or not. I hope it will be. It's really good to talk to you. I really miss India. I had some great experiences in India, and in the future I'm hoping that I will be able to meet all of you in person again. But for the moment, I'm in touch with you by Zoom, which is great, and I'm here. I'm hearing about what you're doing, so I'll stay for a little while and just to listen. So best wishes to all of you. Take care. I hope you have good health and your families are safe and well, and your students. And I know that you're doing a fantastic job working in these difficult circumstances. Thank you.
Thank you, Richard. Thank you, sir. Vinay? Hello?
Anyone still there want to share their stories?
Vinay Raju sir, good evening.
Okay. Go ahead.
Shall I? But my co-partner, Mr. Narendra Reddy, is not there in the meeting.
Okay, no problem. No problem. You just.
Shall I continue?
Yeah, you can. You can.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. It's a privilege to share about enhancement mentoring scheme, which was to see that knowledge sharing was the aspect, and everybody in the team, whether it is mentor or it is mentee, it was only sharing of knowledge. And it is the first of its kind that during this pandemic situation where we were very strange to technology, this project was brought out by the leaders of ELTA Telangana, and it was a great initiative, and they have devised a meticulous plan of grouping mentors and mentees, and very scrupulously and meticulously the meetings were organized, and I was one among them, and I was allotted the group 4. One of the mentors, along with me, my co-mentors were Venugopal and Salome and Mrs. Salome Snehalata, and we had nearly 15 mentees, and many of them, nearly 10 to 11 of them, due to other conditions, they could not join, but all the people tried to present the tools which were presented on day 1 by the mentors. So it was really a very successful journey of sharing this knowledge. And second and third day, they try to think about it, and they also try to share the same presentation with many number of other nuances which were not covered by the mentors also were covered in their presentations. Really, it was a very great journey, learning from the mentees also, not only mentors. Mentors were only because of time, and half an hour was allotted to one digital tool. So we were not able to provide a comprehensive idea of the digital tool. Nevertheless, we try to deliver the information which is used for the classroom transaction. But still, our mentees were so innovative and very interesting enough. And they try to explore all the rich resources of the digital tool, and they have displayed their talent more meticulously, more scrupulously, and wonderfully, marvelously than the mentors. Really, I proudly appreciate all the mentees, not only of my group but also of all the groups, and it was really a relentless endeavor of the mentees, I could say. and they have played a very great role in making this program a grand success, along with the organizers who have planned this. Nearly 20 to 30 digital tools we have learned, sir. Thanks ELTA Telangana Warangal for providing all these opportunities and a platform to learn and share. The platform which was provided. I once again thank ELTA Telangana Warangal, and also all the people who are off and on the platform who have designed this program, and particularly thank Sampath Kumar for his endeavors in making all these programs successful, and a lead personality. Okay, sir. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity once again.
Thank you, Padmavati ma'am.
Sir.
So anyone? Somebody posted in the group that they want to share. Who's that? Two people. Kalyani ma'am, are you there?
Neela ma'am and Irshad Ali raised hands. Please unmute your mic.
Yeah. Good evening, everybody. May I?
Okay, Irshad.
Hello. Yeah, sir. I was quite happy to know the success stories and how participants have taken part and completed their 3 weeks templates and shared their stories. It's really being great to know their successes and also how they gel together. I have a single question to know from everyone. Anybody can respond. Yeah. How did it feel when someone talks about your success story and in front of others? And does it make you a little more responsible, and will it make you think about your teaching process? How does it feel? I would like to know.
Sir, may I?
Yeah, ma'am. Anybody, please.
Sir, I am Roja Rani. Sir, this is I think this is the apt question which every teacher has to answer for herself. Because this sounds to be very simple, but it is a reflective question, I suppose. I mean to say, when we hear the success stories of others, or when we listen to others' goodness and good qualities, definitely we reflect upon ourselves. That means how far I am eligible for this, how far I am doing this. And when somebody praises us, two things I would like to say, sir. You asked one thing, but the same thing, the coin has got two sides. In the same way, the same question has got two sides. So that's the reason I'm explaining this. May I?
Yeah, ma'am. Please, sir. Go ahead. Go ahead, ma'am.
So the first thing is, when we listen to the others' good qualities, we would be very happy, and that makes us, that provokes, I mean to say, that stimulates a reflection, self-reflection. How far I am doing this? How am I really doing all these things? Can't I possess? Do I possess really these qualities? Why can't I also generate such kind of qualities and imbibe those qualities? Is it okay, sir? That means I mean to say, this sharing makes a person, stimulates a person to be positive and to inculcate the good qualities from others. I mean, it's the good values from others. And second thing is, when somebody praises our goodness, I mean, when they highlight our positive points, of course, it gives us the happiness, but at the same thing, it reminds us to be how responsible we should be, because we need to keep upon that now. We can't underlie it. That means we can't go down of it. So that's the reason it increases our responsibility, makes us to become more cautious, and makes us to become more meticulous and active. So I think this type of sharing of information makes a person more active, more stringent, and more a good human being. Thank you, sir.
Roja ma'am. Neela ma'am.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everybody. Actually, I want to talk regarding the template, the questions that were in the template. The time allotted for each discussion given in the template was like half an hour, 1 hour, like this. But when we started pondering over the questions, it took us nearly, the 3 sessions went up to nearly 12 hours. But what I want to say is, the discussion was for 12 hours, but the other 12 hours of every day meant reflecting over the questions. So irrespective of whatever work we were doing, somewhere at the corner of our head, these questions were going on revolving, and it was like as if we were delving deep into ourselves. It was like a kind of a meditative process. And like Buddha says, find your inner self. So it was like, as a teacher, I was always a reflective teacher in the sense, I always used to think, am I doing the right thing? Is my teaching practice okay? So I always was doing that, but I did not have anybody to listen to the kind of thoughts that I had inside. Now this enhancement mentoring program gave me a wonderful opportunity to voice out my inner feelings and then reason it out, structure it, give a focus, a direction. So I found that this, I actually felt that the one who invented these questions has done a wonderful job, because it was a lot of reasoning happened, and I'm very happy that I was able to know about myself much more better than what I was before. Thank you for this opportunity, Richard Smith or Vinayadhar sir or Sampath sir, and everybody else. And next thing is, being with the teachers community has created such a positive vibe in me, which I cherish a lot. Thank you for everything.
Thank you, Neela ma'am. Thank you for your insights, and really you became a reflective teacher now. So started reflecting on everything, including templates, including practices, including the students' work, and like that. It's a great thing that is going to happen. Thank you for sharing. And Kalyani ma'am.
Richard sir, please once reflect on the opinions of participants.
May I?
Kalyani ma'am, go on.
No, sir, shall I wait or?
Okay, after you, sir will address.
Yeah,
please.
sir.
Hello.
Okay.
Sorry.
So,
ma'am, Kalyani ma'am, once.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Sorry, Kalyani. I'm sorry I have to go now. So just to say, well, thank you very much for the last comments, last speaker. It's very nice to hear that. And yeah, thank you very much. I'm very happy to hear that, and wish you all very well. And I'll be in touch. Bye-bye.
All this because of you, Richard sir, and we are doing all these things.
Thank
and
you,
knowing
Smith
each other.
sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Neela ma'am, and everyone. The thing should happen like this, and everyone will be boosted ourselves, and it's a great going, and we feel better. Richard sir, thank you for being with us. Thank you. Go on, ma'am. I welcome Kalyani ma'am.
yeah, sir, I was about to say the same, that about the template. It was really thought-provoking, sir. Earlier, what I used to believe is we should find good people to move on with. But the way you people are dealing the sessions made me to think that I should find good qualities in the people, and I should leave the things which are not I'm not happy with. So I was just ignoring the people whom I feel, yeah, they are not good enough to take in and move on with them. But when I was interacting with my mentee like Arundhati ma'am, the way she has dealt with the people and the way she has expressed her journey, I learned that not only from Arundhati ma'am, with while interacting with all you people and other mentors, mentees, and teachers here who are participating. Really, it was good to know that. As if Madam said, started to reflect on what the way I am doing and the way I am dealing with the people and the way I am accepting the people or rejecting the people and the way I am moving with the people, the way I am teaching, and even I started to reflect on how I am responding to my students, participants, or students, people around me, family, children, everyone. And I started to refine the words I use, the expressions I use. And I started to think when we had 2 sessions, the third session didn't go on. So when it was going on, number of questions raised, and it's like I couldn't put it on a paper. I was just thinking on, yeah, that what mama said is right. So I'm losing this quality. I have to build this quality. That it made me to think in that corner. And now started to go on 14 moves of life, like from every part, as a mother, as a teacher, as a daughter, as a friend, as a human being, as a colleague. In every corners, I started to reflect and think, yes, here I have to correct myself. And I started that corrections even to say that earlier I was out of our ELTA in Mancherial district. Now I just accepted the people and started to work as a, I mean, say, this is a context, maybe a confidential one, but I want to share with you all that I used to keep aside people whom I won't like. I mean, I feel I have some negative opinion or some odd opinion about them. But what I did is, yes, they have some kind of qualities which I should accept, and I can do the better if I accept that. And somebody, the one, my targeted people will be benefited by this, what I do. So this kind of change has been brought because of this enhancement program. It is not somehow like if I have not got into this enhancement program, if I have not started to think on, so this might have not, this change might have not been brought to my journey. I can say that this is unforgettable episode of my life. Bold lettered page, we can say. Yeah, Vinay sir, done from my side.
Thank you, ma'am. And I request Suchita ma'am. She's from IOS group, and she's now here with us. And Richard sir, like we were there, and with Richard sir. Please, Suchita ma'am, would you like to share anything? Please unmute and. Hello, Suchita ma'am, are you there?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Can you please repeat your question?
Hi, welcome to Telangana.
Yeah, nice to meet you all. Sorry for late, but thank you for giving me the chance. Can you please repeat the question?
So please share what you have got with our enhancement mentoring program with Richard sir and all those things. So what we did and what is going on here. Please reflect your own experiences and expressions. Please share with us.
Okay, so hello everybody. Hello Sampath sir and Vinay sir and madam. Last time also I was the visitor of this group, and I found that most of the teachers are very enthusiastic and they are pouring in so much potential reflections over here. So it's nice to have a word with you all. So myself, Suchita Mahorkar. I work as a state academic resource person for English in Maharashtra. And recently we have been approached the EVO by Richard Smith sir, and our proposal has been approved. So I'm working with my co-mentor Manjusha madam, and we are particularly mentoring a few of the teachers, and they would in turn mentor their teachers. So it would be a cascade mode. I would be mentoring 15 teachers in such a way that they would in turn mentor 4 to 5 each. So nowadays I'm giving them the practicing about mentoring skills. So what is mentoring? What the skills a mentor need in such a way. And in turn, in few days, they would be doing the same thing which you are doing right now. So yes, this is my project, and we have planned it. And thank you, Sampath sir, for giving me the chance.
Thank you, ma'am. And we go together, and you are from India, and you are always be with us and interested, showing interest to know about the things going on in Telangana. And I think we share together whatever the thing you are doing there in Maharashtra, and here
Yes,
we do, and we both do something in future.
Yes, so all the best to your participants as well as you, and I wish you all the best, and have a luck.
Thank you, ma'am. And Now, Mamta ma'am, I request Mamta ma'am to please next session's templates, and please in brief conclude the session. Mamta ma'am, I request.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. So here, happy to see that we all are knowing more and more about ourselves and also
Mamta,
others.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
this is
Yes, ma'am.
Kalyani. Sorry to interrupt you. Before going to the fourth session, I have some doubts regarding the second session's uploading templates. See, we have two template session. In every session, we have two templates. That is
Yes,
one reflection after session. Okay,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
one is during the session. So, should we upload both the templates, or we are supposed to upload only one? That is one question. And second question is, while writing our reflections, it is like as a mentee, first question. So as a mentee, I should write my reflections, right? And as a mentor, I should write my reflections. And
Exactly.
the other partner will write their reflections.
Yes,
but
ma'am.
not what I shared with them. But
Yes,
not
yes.
what I shared with them. Is it clear?
Yes,
Because
yes,
just now I have seen a template shared by somebody in the group. So it is that the person was talking about the other partner. In that template, the person was talking about the partner, but not about them. I mean, what they felt is not expressed in the template. So
Okay,
should we
yes.
express our feelings, or should we express the others' reflections? That I want to add.
Okay. So in that template, ma'am, as a mentee, as a mentor, whatever we felt, whatever we learned from that person, we have to mention in that template.
Okay. In first template, is it necessary during the session? During the session, we have questions. Is it necessary? Because it is like a documentation for the people who are participating. So should we put everything on that and post it to the group, or else we should post only the second template? Which one to be posted?
Vinay
Both
sir?
or only one?
Vinay sir, please clarify.
And that is for when you are interacting with your partner teacher, those questions are for helpful for you. So no need to upload those things. You upload the second one. That is whatever you reflected after completing your interaction with your partner teacher. That is enough.
Fine, sir. Thank you. And even in that, I have to write my feelings and I have to post. And Arundhati ma'am has to mention her feelings and she has to post.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah.
During the
Thank
session,
you.
how we felt. During the session, how we felt, what we learned, all these things we have to write there.
You are reflecting. You cannot reflect somebody else. No, you have to reflect.
That's right.
Your own
Exactly.
experience.
Exactly. Exactly. Okay. This was what I
But
observed in the group.
Here in the online Zoom, you are reflecting. You are telling your partner teacher success story. So that's a different.
Yeah, that's fine, sir.
Different
Because we are writing story, success story, and the 4 week. In the 4th week, we'll be writing success story of the one whom we heard. I heard Arundhati ma'am. So
Yes.
I'll be writing her story and I'll share with her and I'll get the complete outdate of it and I'll share. I'll share. That's
yes,
right.
yes, ma'am. Exactly.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Fine. I'm in clear corner. Right. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Shall I? Okay. So here we are knowing more and more about ourselves and also others. We are learning from experiences of ours. Till now we are experiencing that. But here we could see with this program, we got the opportunity to learn from others' experiences also. So this pandemic has given this opportunity to change our perception towards our teaching learning process. So here we are expanding. I could say here we are expanding our circle of like-minded people, circle of enthusiastic people, and circle of 21st century teachers. So in this regard, ELTA Telangana portion is commendable, and okay, when we are hearing others' success stories, definitely we inspire with that. But when we hear our success stories from others, in other perception, either completely different from us or similar to us, it definitely gives us some more boost to our knowledge or our thought process. In this way, so here 3 sessions, everyone here I could see everyone shared their views, and everyone, okay, 1 hour time is not sufficient, but here we learned so many things to implement in our teaching learning process, and also for our personal lives also it is very helpful. So coming to our 4th session, we have to conclude whatever we learned and whatever we experienced from all these 3 sessions. So shall I share my screen, sir?
Mamta, do it.
Okay, sir.
Time is there. 7. By 7 they will start. Some
Yes.
other meeting is there, no?
Yes, sir, definitely. I'll complete it. So here you can see consolidating the experiences of enhancement mentoring. So this is the template. See here you can write mentor's name and mentee's name. We have to come across these 4 to 5 questions. So what was your partner's context and what was their role within it? What was the particular success experience that your partner focused on? How did the story begin? Where and when did it happen? What happened? All these things we have to conclude here. What told your partner that it was a success? Okay, when he or she told that was a success, in your view, is a success or not? What were the success signs of that success, and how did they feel? Why did they feel it was important for them? What did your partner say were the reasons for success? What caused the success according to them? What does your partner want to do now in order to build on or extend the success? Do they want to explore further? Do anything else? And if so, when and how and with whom? So in this way, we have to write all the reflections for these 5 questions. So this is all about consolidating or enhancement mentoring, and everything in our collaborative document. So please go through that collaborative document, and also please conclude. If anyone not completed the sessions, please complete that all the sessions, and you have to post all those your reflections, because very few number we could see in the template. So please complete your sessions and reflect on that sessions in Flipgrid as well as in the collaborative document also. So congratulations everyone, and also all the best for the last session also. So Vinay sir and Sampath sir, over to you. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Mamata. So I request everyone to take your time, plus post your reflections there in the Flipgrid also, because it will help you to maintain a record of our project, what we are doing. So we have already shared the link with the Richards, and the Richards will have our collaborative document link with him. So whenever you update something, so you will have a chance to look at what is going on here. Please do that. Not in hurry, but take your own time, but do that. Not today, tomorrow, but at least do that whenever you are comfortable or convenient. Any questions? Any doubts? Okay, Sambat?
Vinay.
Will we conclude? Because it's 7.
Anything to share with us, please ask. Any trouble or any problem, any issue, please consult us and make the thing a great success. And everyone is watching us, and they are associating with us, and we'll make a great thing to happen. And also about our action research. So we are positive that we'll get the opportunity to do all those things from HANB project. Here I would like to share one more thing, my personal thing maybe. So many teachers have enrolled. Tomorrow we are going to start our new project, that is Alta Master Techie Kids, and for that so much response is there, and about 60 schools enrolled till now, and 60 into 4. So nearly 240 to 300 students are gathering in our session, and that is a great thing to happen. And also you try with your students, and in future all are part of these things. And thank you everyone for supporting us for the different activities we are taking, and thank you everyone. And
Thank
also,
you all.
thank you all. So we can conclude here, and anything to share with us personally, you make a call to us, and know anything is left. And we finish the next session by next week, means this program will be ended by next week on Sunday maybe. Be ready with all your templates and finish all the things. Thank you everyone.